Welcome to this video. So glad you decided to join me. I've got something really good for you here. In short, it will help you make money online in 2026 far quicker, and it will also prevent you getting caught in a rut. So let me get straight into it. In the title I said why smart people struggle to make money online, and this is a truth that I've found over nearly 25 years making money online with affiliate products, my own products, and running an SEO business. And believe me, it's not hard to have a lot of smarter people than me. And this is what I want to, I'll get straight into it. It's well worth a watch. And if it strikes a chord with you, I've got the fix for you today as well, how you can get moving really fast in 2026. So let me get straight into it. Some of the smartest people I know that I've sort of known offline and online that want to make money online make absolutely nothing, and they get frustrated because they see people with no special skills, far less intelligent, I can say, building income and sort of making money in the background. And here's the reason for that. If you are smart, don't get me wrong, you have to be smart to make money online, but if you are analytical and if you're researching everything and if you want to do things properly before you start, this video will really help you, because you're probably not struggling because you're bad at this stuff. You may be struggling because the internet rewards speed and not perfection. Everything that I've built that's been a success online, 50 ClickBank products, hundreds of affiliate sites, my own products, every single one started from an idea, but it also rewarded the speed of getting that up and out there. If you're really analytical or overly smart, what happens is your brain automatically wants to understand every single detail first, and you tend to go down this route. This might sound familiar. You test out tools, watch more videos, learn theory, and you're feeling productive because you're learning, but nothing's actually moving forward. And I see this all the time with clients, not just my clients that I take on in coaching, but also clients, SEO clients and so on. People spend weeks choosing the perfect keywords, the perfect niches, months setting things up, tweaking and rebuilding when something isn't out there yet. And the truth is this: online income is not an intelligence test. It's a systems game. The people who win aren't the smartest more often than not, but they do this. They're the ones who follow a system, don't overthink it, pick one thing, finish it, and then move on. Whereas what I've normally found is really smart analytical people, on the other hand, keep improving something that isn't live, keep rebuilding instead of launching, optimize instead of execute, and what happens is they burn out. Not because they failed, but because they haven't given anything a real chance to work, because they haven't followed through. So I want to give you something rather than a rant on. I want to give you something that will help. All you have to do to shift that is, instead of asking what's the best way to do this, start asking this. And this is actually comes from Tony Robbins says this: if you want better answers, ask better questions. And this is almost in that theme. Instead of asking what's the best way to do this, ask yourself, what's the simplest version I can actually finish? Whatever you're doing, affiliate sites, affiliate funnels, YouTube channels, your own product. What's the simplest version I can actually finish? One system, one traffic source, one clear goal, your first sale. That's it. Because momentum comes first and optimization will come later. Once you get that first sale, then you can start looking at why it happened and start sort of spreading out and going into detail. But people don't tend to do that. What they do is they get overwhelmed with so many different ways that you can make money, And there are so many different ways, and more legitimate ways of making money online, but it creates overwhelm. So the reason I made this video is to give you that insight. I hope it's helped. That's exactly how I'm building everything in 2026, around simplicity, execution, and momentum. No fluff, no overcomplicating it. Just a set of clear steps that move things forward. If you've got a product, the first thing is building the product. The second thing is launching the product. The third thing is sending traffic. Break those into 3 parts and into simple steps. And if this video hit a nerve, and if you're sort of caught in that spot where you're spinning your wheels and you're not sure, what to do next, do check out the link below, because it will go more into detail. It will give you a free quick start coaching session, totally free. There's no catch. It will work out and get rid of the fluff, where you can work out how much money you want to make, the income streams that will actually work in 2026, and then a step-by-step plan you can follow that's easy to actually get there for free. So do check it out. The link's below. I'm 95% sure that it will help you if you follow through, and if you apply this video. Just remember that question. Instead of what's the best way to do this, once you've found, and that coaching session will give you some income streams if you're still searching for the way to make money. But once you've found it, ask yourself, what's the simplest version I can actually finish and launch? Because then you're getting something up and out there, sending traffic to it, whatever it is, and you've got far more chance of success than tweaking, looking for the best option, the next shiny object. So anyway, I hope this helps. That's how I'm structuring my business in 2026, very simply. Do check out the coaching session, and do subscribe, because I've got more videos for clarity instead of overwhelm. And just remember this, being smart isn't the problem, obviously, but trying to be perfect is, and trying to get everything correct and understand everything. Make it really simple. Don't be a perfectionist. Don't second guess that sales page. Get it up, send traffic, and then based on the feedback that you're getting from that, then you can change what you're doing. So I hope it helps. Do subscribe. Do check out your free coaching session below, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.